Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. So we've got another one of these cappings, the stone coping to do. That one over there was the one I've done in the previous video. So we've just got a slightly smaller one to do now. So we'll get a ladder up there in a minute and see what's going on. Just set myself up a bench and got a lovely cup of coffee from the homeowner. So I'll drink that in a minute. So we'll get a ladder up and have a look. Okay, so I've already started setting out my welts. What I've done is I've worked from my corners. I've got slightly wider lead for the corners. I've got 700 wide for this code 5. So I've just marked where my welts are going to be on those corners. Set both of those up. There's that one. I've got this one set up as well. I've got my welts all set out there. And then I just sort of like took a measurement from the centre of the welt there to centre of the welt on this one, and divided them up equally, and actually it's worked out the same distance from that welt to that welt as well, all the way through the middle there. So it's all going to look quite uniform. Also that welt there is like bang in the centre of that front measurement there, so it's all worked out pretty well. So now we've got our welt set out, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to start from this end actually. Start with this panel here, get some building paper on. What I'm also going to do is use the building paper as a template. So we just lift this existing saddle that someone's put in. Don't know what it's really doing. Yeah, okay, we just lift that bit out of the way. We leave it in for the minute. In case it rains, it just sort of like weather the ups down for a bit until I get the new capping in. So we'll start with this panel here, get some building paper as a template, get that one in, just work our way through. Okay, so I'm just coming through here now, putting all these panels on. I just templated that just to get the angles 100% correct. So now let's get this next one on. So what I've done here is I've already cut a piece of building paper as a template. Just lay that on where it's going to go. I find this the easiest way of doing it. Providing you know you've got your template 100%, you really can't go wrong. Just need to make sure you need to add. So I know, for example, I need to add another 25mm to tuck into the welt there, 50mm out the front, another 25mm there, and I think it's like 110 on there. So now that template's all cut and set out, I'll go and transfer that onto lead and get that one in there. Okay, so I've just transferred this to my lead now from the building paper, using that as a template. So I just need to knock up these 25mm now. In that welt as well. Square to adjust that down a bit. Same on the other side. Patination all in there. I do need to treat myself to a new rag, don't I? that's ready to fit. Okay, so I've just laid that panel in there now. Let's check that. Make sure that's square and that we're on our welt line. Yeah, that's 100% square. Let's get some copper in there now. Not much room on this one, unfortunately. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to notch out the welt by a few mil, just to make sure that when you set the other welt in, you don't see the extra thickness. Also, when you notch it out, you stop it all from sliding around, so it keeps everything on your correct marks. Just want to make sure you don't go too close to the edge, because this stone oversells quite a bit. If you go fix too close to the edge, you've got a good chance of blowing the stone. To make sure as well, when you're scoring this out, that you don't slip and go through the panel where you don't want it cut. Just take your time with it. Just use a bit of copper as a washer as well, because when you drill that hole out, the actual hole is about the size of the head. So obviously if you just nail that in, you're not really going to get a great deal of fixing. So if you just by cutting a piece of copper, it just makes that head area bigger and it fixes much nicer. Another one in down here as well. Again, you can't go too close to the edge because the stone really does oversell quite a bit. that's all fitted now, so I'm just going to work my way through the rest of that now and get the rest of those panels on, repeating the same process. Okay, so that's all these panels on there now, all the way through. I've also just setting all the welts there and got the edges down as well. So now all those edges are down and all the welts are dressed in. What I'm going to do now is trim it all up, get this trimmed up on the inside. We can just come down about 25mm lower than that stone on the inside, get all that trimmed, and I'll trim all the outside same as what I've done on that one now. I think it's about 35mm, 30mm. I'll go up there and check that so I can get them both the same. So once it's all trimmed up, then we can start looking at getting these gussets welded in. Okay, so that's all that front edge all trimmed up now. I've trimmed the inside as well. So now that's all trimmed, what I'm going to do next is make up all these gussets and get all these gussets welded in. Okay, so that's all those corners all welded in now. So now all those corners are welded in, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to put a fix in just on that point now, on that outside corner. I mean, I don't think it would ever go anywhere, it is quite low, but just to be belt and braces, we just put a fix in there, just weld a circle over it, get one there, same on the other side, get a fix in there as well. And then once I've done that, all it's left to do then, just to cut these flashings into this back wall, got one there to put in. One on the other side there, get them flashings cut in, mastic that up, give it another coat of oil, and that'll be job done. Okay, so that's those fixing points done now. I've also now put those flashings in and mastic that. Same on the other side. And it's also just had another coat of oil. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.